Here's how I set up my reference and painting side by side in Procreate. In Gallery View, tap the plus icon in the corner and then this icon right here, and create a 5000 by 3500 pixel 300 dpi canvas. Then tap Create. Inside the canvas, press the wrench, Add, Insert a photo, and grab your photo reference. Then with uniform selected and snapping turned on, pull at the corner to resize the reference and move it to fill about half the canvas. Then go to your layers, swipe left on the image, and press Duplicate. Now on that new image, swipe right with 2 fingers, or just tap it and press Alpha Lock. Then grab the transform arrow up here and drag that duplicated image over. Just make sure you see this line so then you know it's perfectly in line with that first image. Once it's placed, go to your brushes, airbrushing, and grab the soft brush. Make it nice and big, grab a background color, and color in the whole layer. Now you're all set up with your reference and painting that are the exact same size and perfectly side by side. This will make finding accuracy so much easier because you'll be able to more easily see negative space and take measurements. Give it a try.